What's up, guys? So last weekend when we were up in Bowling Green for the NMRA World Finals, Holley Ford Fest, got to check in some of the other action while we were there. We were pretty busy racing the Roush and True Street. We got to check out a little bit of the other attractions. One of those big attractions was Cleetus. I'm sure you've seen him on the internet. Races his Crown Vics, the Freedom Factory, and he had him up there doing some demos, some drifting, some just raising hell, beating on each other. Got to sneak away for a few minutes while Jeremy was in the staging lanes and shoot a quick little bit of video. Caught some pretty cool stuff with Cleetus coming out, actually pushing the car, doing a burnout. Wanted to share that with you. Wish we could have filmed more, we didn't have a chance. But anyway, as Cleetus would say, let her rip, Tater Chip.
The Commission of Visitors Bureau, our judge executive, our state representatives, all were fighting on our behalf, and the governor of Kentucky, to let these three events go down. And I couldn't be more excited for them to happen. That's it for me. I ditto what Steve says about these guys are my personal friends, and it's a heck of a job to keep something like this going. And my hat's off to those guys. Thanks again for coming. Thank you, Bill. Now I'm going to turn the mic back over to Terry, our announcer extraordinaire, who, by the way, has got numerous compliments to me. So if I got him, that means the rest of my staff got him. Terry, you're doing a great job, and I'm going to turn it back over to you. You got a couple more people to introduce. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, one more big hand for Steve Wilcott and everybody here in the NMRA team that put this on. Crossroads Ministries Music. Yeah, I'm afraid. Bobby Bear, thank you so much for coming up and being part of this. I really appreciate it, and I love that. And I wish you the best of luck this weekend, but I have a feeling with the Roush thing, it's probably not going to take luxury for me to do your job as a driver with some of you guys that remember the whole world championship. You know how to do your job. So right now we're getting some stuff tightened up on the racetrack, and we're going to put down the PhD comp, we're going to put down the track, and I see down there in the front of the station down there in 87, once again, I cannot reiterate this enough, because all the struggles we've been through trying to put events on for everybody out here, racers and spectators alike. We want to make sure that everybody practices good social distancing, racing apart, and sure you have face masks on. There's plenty of room out here, and once again, motorsports and automotive world is got some hard to come in, and we really want to make sure that we continue to aim at the whole event. And if we're cars into the lanes, and hopefully we'll be back on the track in a minute. Welcome to the 2020 Holley NMRA Ford National Series Tour. We hope you have a great time and want to encourage you to check out all the action. This weekend, the NMRA Ford Drag Racing Series features all the stars and all the cars with NMRA Ford Drag Racing. This is our product, NMRA And don't forget, and thank you for joining the NMRA at the races. The official title sponsor of the NMRA. Holley Performance Products manufactures the speed and performance products you need to make your Mustang fly. Holley has long been known for the #1 carburetors on the planet, but now it dominates today's world with Holley CFI. NOS, Hooker, Race Pack, will be necessary to thank the following series title sponsors for their support during the 2020 season. Holley Performance Products, NMRA Series title sponsor, Ford Performance Parts, major sponsor of the NMRA Ford Nationals, UPR Products, NMRA Car Show Series sponsor. Aerospace Components, NMRA Winner Circle sponsor. Product, UPR has what you need at great prices. You can find UPR products on the web at www.uprproducts.com. Again, be sure to stop by and see the awesome display of Ford classics and muscle cars in the auto show area, all brought to you by UPR Products.